You guys, I finally have the cosmic drinks from McDonald's. They look so pretty, and I'm hoping it tastes good as well. Okay, guys, let's try the berry blast. This is pretty good. Wow. Now I'm thinking this is the Sprite Lunar Splash, so let's try this one. Mm. Honestly, it just tastes like Sprite and a little bit of dragon fruit in there. Of course, you know the Sprite is strong as hell. So let's try the strawberry watermelon refresher. Now, a lot of people was just saying that this is just regular water with dried strawberries on it. So let me see for myself. Uh, I don't know what it is, but it's super sweet. It's a no for me. You guys, this is the popping tropic refresher. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Let's just mix this up a little bit. Mmm. Okay. I don't like those balls.